Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Optimum router step by step. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to basically make sure that your phone, your laptop or your computer is connected directly to the Optimum Wi-Fi network. You can just simply use this particular Wi-Fi icon if you are using it on your PC or laptop, and here you will be shown all of the networks, so make sure that you have connected to the Optimum network over here. After doing so, simply open your web browser, and here in the address bar you can either type this particular IP address, which is 192.168.01, or you can also try another address which is 192.168.1.1. Now after doing so, you just have to simply hit enter, and this is going to redirect you on the login page of Optimum network. So over there you just have to simply provide your Optimum ID and the password, and then you just have to simply sign in into your account. Now when you sign in into your account, you will be able to access and change the Wi-Fi settings, like you will be able to change the Wi-Fi name, the password, connected devices, Wi-Fi, guest Wi-Fi, security controls, and bunch of different things. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.